Good wonderful morning, everybody. Oh, bless you. I went down the wrong way, did it? So we're at Crow's Nest. Oh, she's having a rough time. The rocks are so slippery, and she's sliding all over them. It's tough. I can see that is extremely slippery. Even with 4-paw drive, she's fallen in the water a couple of times. So this is their main water supply originally, back in the day, when they started up this little area. Yep, slippery. I know. Even with 4-paw drive, you're slipping all over the place, aren't you? Hey? Hang on, wait for me. Where you going? Let's go this way. That chappie was worried about us slipping over the rocks. She was slipping, I was slipping. I got my boots on, but it doesn't really help that well on slime. These rocks are very slippery. It's interesting though that it's all this bedrock. So, how old is this rock, for example? Been here such a long time, and they've got new signs, newish signs up. I didn't notice those last time. And I did charge my battery on the camera, and it's saying it's flat. That's not a good sign. So it didn't charge. I've only got the one battery, the other one's at home. Didn't think I'd need 2 batteries, seeing as I just charged it. So it could be that this battery has failed. So, pump hole lookout. I don't know if she can get down there. She can. Can I get down there safely? The pump stand and some pipe work for the old railway steam operation pump station can be seen from the lookout. Turtles and water dragons are in here. Well, there's some concrete down there that shouldn't be. So it could be it. I say you can see it from the lookout, but it's pretty overgrown. So that might be the pump, or part of it, a steam powered pump. So yes, it is it's the water supply for the town. But it was steam operated. The pump was steam operated. So this is where the pump used to be. Oh, that was it. That's only a tiny little thing. Tiny little shack. So it was on top. So it's all fallen in. So I was up there. It looks like. But it's caved in. So that is the old pump, parts of the old pump. And it's not a bit of concrete, it's just a bit of timber. And that'll explain why it's cut out there, because you can see it's actually been drilled They've drilled that to make it either safer, or they've drilled it out for some reason. Because you can see that would have been that spot there. But all this is all fallen in. And when those 3 trees growing out of the rock, that's probably where the pump house was, sitting on top, and it's all collapsed. Which would explain why the pipes are there, because that would have been down here. So it looks like it's all collapsed over time, and they've drilled it. I'd say that's been more modern drilled, so that's been done for safety. So what they've done is they've dropped the boulders so they wouldn't drop on people. Not going that way, sweetie. There's nothing there. She said, but I want it, Dad. Oh, why? There's just nothing there. She says it sniffs here. Somebody tried chopping down that tree at one point with an axe and given up. They didn't do a very good job trying to chop it down, so maybe they used it for something, some sort of support. And she's off again. Well, we'll catch up with you soon. If we see anything interesting, I'll turn the camera back on. See you later.